All right, the next part of this question says, find how much Stuart still owes after 12 years. All right, 12 years. How much does he owe after 12 years? So what I want to figure out this time is, what is my future value going to be after 12 years? All right, so if it's 12 years, I'm going to go 12 years times 12 monthly payments, so 12 times 12. My interest rate is still 5.10. My present value is still 350,000. 350, 1, 2, 3. My payments is something that I know now. I know that my payments are going to be 1,932 cents. Future value, I do not know. And this will be 12, and this will be 12. So now, with all this information, I can figure it out. Now, the beautiful thing is, because I now know this PMT, I just leave it there. You know, I'm just going to leave it like that. If you want, you could round it. So it can be 0.32. And sometimes, you know what? Sometimes it's good to do that, especially if they've made you say explicitly before it, like this. We've explicitly said that the repayments are 0.32. So it's actually good to come here and to get rid of everything after it and say, you know what, it's 0.32. Those are my repayments each time. Now, if the question didn't explicitly get you to say that previously, one could argue that you shouldn't round it. This is something that you're just going to have to judge based on what the question says to you. I know I never like giving answers like that, but sometimes I have to say things like that. You got to be careful, because up here, it's explicitly asked me, you know, what is the repayments going to be? And I'm saying it's 1,932 cents. That makes me pretty confident to get rid of everything after this and just make it 0.32. Okay, this here is 12 times 12, 12 times 12. This is 5.1, this is 350. My future value, I do not know. So let's hit enter there. It's going to be that. All right, so I will come here and I'm going to put in, whoops, there we go, negative 268,239.688. Okay, why is it negative? Why is it negative? Well, let's go back to our notes here for a moment. If we scroll all the way back here, do you see how it says, if the future value is negative, it means the amount is still owing. So this is the amount we're still owing to the bank here. So find how much Stuart still owes after 12 years. So we can say, we'll grab our pen, after 12 years, he owes 268,239 and 69 cents. That's what your answer is going to be. Make sure you don't round and then you round. That's how you avoid making lots of silly mistakes and losing marks. Hopefully that made sense. I'll see you in the next video.